lever and three classes of lever. Class 1 lever, crowbar, class 2 lever, class 3 lever, like that we see, no? So lever alone we finish. So now in this video we are going to see about inclined plane, screw, pulley, wedge, wheel and axle. All these terminologies may new to One is fixed pulley, another one is movable pulley. Now we are going to see about this two types of pulley. See children, pulley, two types of pulley we see, no? One is fixed pulley, another one Listen children, now we will see the wedge. Wedge, W-E-D-G-E, wedge. Okay, see we studied about inclined plane, சாய்வான பகுதி. Inclined plane we studied, no? The same thing here in wedge also it comes. See, wedge has two inclined planes. It has two inclined planes. How it is joined? Joined in such a way, the sharp end in front. See, wedge has two inclined planes joined back to back with a sharp edge. See, this is one inclined plane. Okay, then here my hand is the another inclined plane means, so the edge will come in sharp edge will come, isn't it? See, one inclined plane, backside another inclined plane is joined. So one end becomes sharp and another end becomes blunt. So sharp end will be there in front, blunt end will be there at back, isn't it children? So it has sharp end in front and blunt end at back side. Are you clear? This setup we called it as wedge. Clear children? So wedge is nothing but an inclined plane, two inclined planes jointed back to back with a sharp edge. Clear? So one end, front end will be very sharp, whereas the back end is blunt. Where we can see such a setup? Why we have to arrange such a way back to back two inclined planes to have a sharp end? What is the use of the sharp end? Where we are using the sharp ends? Yes, we use the sharp ends to cut or split. Have you ever seen a woodcutter who is cutting the heavy wood? Okay, see he is using the axe, isn't it? So we are using this kind of wedge to cut or split heavy objects. To cut or split, pelakkuradhukku illena vetradhukku, to cut or split heavy objects. Okay, see in our knife also we have knife, no? For cutting vegetables and all we are using small knife or heavy big knife. See, at the sharp end, observe it very sharply, romba aalama parunga. See the sharp end, two inclined planes are there, that's why it have a sharp edge. Look at the picture, the two ends are very sharp, no? So it gives the sharp edge in knife. Okay, here in axe also, two inclined planes meet together in such a way it comes sharp end in front. So it has this setup we called as axe. In shovel also, see it's a sharp end, front side. Okay, edge, same way axe, blunted one is edge, bent irundhuna the edge. Okay, then razor blade use pannrom, that blade also have a sharp edge. In chisel, okay, it have a sharp edge. See, have you noticed if axe blunt ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ, முன்னே ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா what the woodcutter is doing? Have you noticed that they rub it on the rough surface? ஏதாவது கரடு முரடான கல் எதையா வச்சு தீட்டுவாங்க, தீட்டுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Have you noticed that? See, for sharpening the knife also in street they are selling, no? கத்தி கத்தி சொன்ன வைக்கிறது அப்படி சொல்லி கத்திட்டே போவாங்க பார்த்துருக்கியா? ஒன் வீலில் அது வச்சுருப்பாங்க. இன் வீல் இஸ் ஹேவ் சம் ரஃப் சர்ஃபேஸ் அந்த வீலில் இருக்கும். தே பெண்டட் தட், ஸோ தே மேக் த எட்ஜஸ் வெரி ஷார்ப். ஹவு தே ஆர் ஷார்ப்பிங் இட்? You notice, observe it very sharply. They எப்படி பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, so they'll keep the one edge. First they make the slanting surface. In slanting surface, the edge small slanting surface. Then they keep the knife backside. Then again they'll do the same action, sharp surface. So two inclined planes meet together and it gives the sharp edge. If at all you notice, observe it very keenly only, it will be clear. Okay, so the two inclined plane only gives the sharp edge. Rendu sloping surface meet பண்ணும்போது that end become very sharp. Okay, so knife, axe, shovel, edge, razor, chisel are the best example for wedge. Wedge has two inclined planes jointed back to back with a sharp edge. Clear, children? Okay, now we'll move to the next simple missile. How many types we see? 6 types. First one lever, second one pulley, wedge, inclined plane, all these we finished, isn't it? Now we'll go for screw. 5th type, screw will go. See children, screw, S-C-R-E-W, screw. You know it, what is screw, isn't it? See, this is what we call as screw. See, look at that setup. Here one rod is there. The rod is surrounded by spirally arranged by an inclined plane. See, a screw is a kind of inclined plane which is wrapped around a rod. Wrapped na sutti, wrapped abdina sutti. See, I'll explain this in activity how to do that. See, you take a pencil, your own pencil you have, no, take a pencil, keep it aside. Take a triangle piece of paper, see, in your book also it given, wrapped in such a way the paper around your pencil, see, it looks like a screw. The ridges will be there and the groove and the palla irukra mari arrange agum. This one we will do it in our activity video. Next to this video I will give an activity video that there we will do that. Now you listen the content. A screw is a kind of inclined plane which is wrapped around a rod. It is wrapped அப்படியே சுத்தி ஸ்பைரலா சுத்தி பள்ளம் இருக்கு in screw, isn't it? So this, what is the use of the screw? See, look at the screw. At the it have one end blunt and one sharp end, no? See, in sharp end around that rod a groove is there. Okay, see, at the top end there is one small groove to hold the screwdriver. And the pallam mele or patta pallam irukka, there only we are holding the screwdriver to tighten the screw. What is the use of the screw? To hold two things together. To hold two things together. Hold things together we use screw. See, for example, here in our school also, while they are repairing work, we are keeping our desk and bench outside, no? They are doing the repairing work. What they are doing? Just they removing this old screw and again they inserting a new screw in some nearby place to tighten the two pieces of wood. Have you noticed that? They tightened, so it hold the two things together. That means two wooden pieces together. So we'll have a fixed benches, isn't it? So this, where and all the screw is working, screw jack and the heavy objects to hold the to lift the heavy objects, screw jack is using. A car appadi thookuradhukku screw jack. In mechanic shops and all, they are using the screw jack. Okay, see, that is screw jack to lift the heavy objects. Car madhiyo vehicle, some other vehicles, screw jack is using. Appadana adila unga idu repair panna vasadiya, isn't it? So to lift the heavy vehicles. Then here in door hinges and all, have you noticed screw is fixed? Door hinges la screw is fixed. So this a screw is a kind of inclined plane which is wrapped around a rod. So in activity I will explain it in very much clear. So you simply know that it's a sloping surface wrapped around a rod. Or it's like look like a nail. Aani madhira irukku. It's look like a nail, but nail also help to hold the things together. But the screw is better than that because it have inclined plane around it, sharp grooves around it. It hold the things very tightly than the ordinary nail. Aaniya vidavu screw nalla tight ah pidichukku. Okay, so it gives the longer strength to hold the things longer, tightly. Clear? Screw hold the things tightly than the ordinary nail. Aaniya vida screw da nalla aalama pidichukku two things together. Clear? So this, so screw will finish. Now we'll move to the last simple machine. What? Wheel and axle. So lever, inclined plane, pulley, wedge, screw. Now we'll move to the sixth one. What? Wheel and axle. What is this? Wheel and axle. Wheel means what? Wheel and axle. Wheel means chakram. Okay? Axle na achu. Wheel and axle. Chakramu adinodaya achum. A large wheel with a small circular axle in the center. Clear children? A large wheel, what is in the center? Axle, achu irukku center la. So this setup wheel, this arrangement we call it as wheel and axle. Clear? A large wheel with a small axle in the center. Okay. What happens when the wheel rotates? Clear? If the wheel rotates, what happened to the axle? The axle also rotates. So when the wheel rotates, the axle also rotates. Clear? So where we are seeing this kind of setup? See in wheel. In your bicycle you have wheels, no? Notice it clearly. Say there, the wheel is there, in the center axle. Achirka, ada sutti dana the wheel odudu, isn't it? So in your bicycle you can see in your in bicycle many wheel and axle, simple machine, combination of many simple machines are there. See in the pedal the same wheel and axle movement. You are in your car, steering la four wheel and axle da, okay. Here steering of a car also wheel and axle, example for wheel and axle, okay. And in your sewing machine, see here we are pedaling, here nearby that pedal one big wheel irukum, then in machine up top area also one bigger and smaller, many smaller wheel and axles are there in sewing machines, many part we can notice. Then in door knobs, the knob, okay, the door knob இப்படி rotate பண்ணா வந்துருதா. So the door knobs. In our kitchen we are using egg beater, no, that egg beater. So we are giving some force, that pressure makes to rotate the wheel structure in that beater, no. So wheel and axle is there in your egg beater also. So you also derive some example for all these simple missiles so far we see, no. You derive some more examples, whatever I am not mentioned in the classroom, you derive some more examples, okay. So the large wheel with a small circular axle in it, this arrangement we called as wheel and axle. So when wheel start rotates, the axle also rotates. So we are steering wheels, bicycle, sewing machine, doorknob, egg beater are the best example for wheel and axle. In gear pathrikiya, gear 7 gear 6 gear la noda bicycle la solli. So there also if you notice that wheel and axle structure will be there, okay. So for this lesson we coming to the end of this lesson. So simple machine 6 type we finish. Lever we finished in the first part of the lesson itself. In this video we finished about inclined plane, wedge, screw, wheel and axle and pulley. All this will finish. So along with this video I given a PDF format of book exercise, classwork and worksheet. Finish all that, okay. Clear? In our next video we will see about the activity of this lesson. Clear children? Thank you.